Yes, Arjuna Uvacha, I was supposed to do. Okay, sixth chapter, Atma Sanyama Yoga. Now it is 9, 19, 20. Okay, we are into understanding the self knowledge, that is Atma Sanyama, self constraint. How can you control yourself? With this, how do you gain victory over self? All these are mentioned. Krishna says in the last 32nd sloka, Atmaupamyena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna. Sukham va yadi va dukkham. Atma upama yena upama yena. That means everybody is like me. Like how you feel, everybody is also going to have the same feeling. कुछ लोग होते हैं सिर्फ अपना ही देखते, दूसरों के बारे में कोई चिंता ही नहीं है, दूसरा क्या सोचेगा, उनको क्या हर्ट होगा या खुशी होगी, नथिंग दे केयर फॉर. आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र, लाइक यू ओनली एवरीवन. दैट इज व्हाट इज समम पश्यति ओ अर्जुना. ओ अर्जुना, वन हु हैज दिस काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग दैट all living entities. Hello.
ಸರ್ ಸುಶೀಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ಇವರು ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ, ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
ನೀವು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯು
ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಜಾಹೀರಾತುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅಪರಿಚಿತ ಗುಂಪುಗಳಿಂದ ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು.
Okay. Atmaupamena sarvatra, one who has this kind of equanimity, sukham va yadi va dukkham. First to hogu consultation Shivanand karita idare. Please go there. Call bandittu. Okay, okay. Right, right. Update me. Okay. Sukham va yadi va dukkham, whether happiness or sorrow, you have that equanimity. If you feel happiness, you have to feel that happiness in others also. For others also, you should feel. That feeling is only going to take a person to the highest platform. If you don't have any feeling, then you are not a human being only. Yes, this is the difference. Even animals also has the feeling, but not up to the evolution of that happiness or feeling is more in humans than in animals. They have lesser consciousness also. That consciousness itself is little lower. highest evolution of the consciousness we can see only in human beings. That is why Sukham va yadiva dukkham sa yogi, he is only yogi. With this conclusion, Krishna said, now Arjuna has question. Yo ayam yogas tvaya proktaha samyena Madhusudana. Oh Arjuna, oh Krishna, oh Madhusudana, what you said about yoga and all, and self-control and all, Etasyaham na pashyami. I am unable to perceive it perfectly. Why means chanchalatvat sthitim stiram. My mind is always fickle-minded. Oh, mind is always fickle. It does not stay in one place. You told big terminologies. Okay. But I am unable to perceive it. Chanchalatvat sthitim stiram. My mind is not stable. For that matter, he says, Arjuna tries to prove Krishna that Chanchalam Himana Krishna. Is it not so? Mind itself is always agitated mind, or it is not stable mind. Instability is the feature of every mind. Mind cannot be stable. That is what Chanchalam Himana Krishna. Is it not so, Krishna? Whatever you said, I am unable to perceive it properly. Etasyaham na pashyami. Why means chanchalatvat sthitim stiram. My mind is unstable. Is it not that instability is the common feature of every mind? Chanchalam Yamana Krishna Pramati Balavat Dhrudam. That instability is the strongest symptom of every mind. If at all, if there is any concentration or stability, it is a big miracle. It is a biggest, rarest of the rare. That if a person is able to stabilize, or if we see stability of mind, then it is very rarest of the rare. That means it is not easy. Chanchalam Himana Krishna Pramati Balavadrudam Tasya Aham Nigraham Manye Vayoho Iva Sudushkaram. Please, you have to by heart these three shlokas. How Arjuna is confessing himself. That means all of us have this problem. Everybody. That is why Arjuna is representing all of us. Everyone's mind is unstable. Is it not? He is telling openly, he is confessing, yes, my mind is unstable. Tasyaham nigraham manye. You are asking Atma upamyena sarvatra, or Sanyama, Atma Sanyama, Atma Nigraha, Indriya Nigraha. So many things you told. But how can I do that? My mind is unstable. So, Chanchalam Himana Krishna Pramati Balavadrudam Tasyaham Nigraham Manye. Tasyaham Nigraham. You are asking me to control Nigraha, suppress the Indriyas. It is as difficult as catching the wind. Oh, Krishna himself is being reconciled here by Arjuna. Krishna is counseling Arjuna, but now the case is going reverse gear. Arjuna himself is now counseling. Don't you know, Krishna? That mind is so unstable. Everybody's mind. It is as good as catching the wind. Show me or teach me how to catch the wind, then I will control my mind. Oh, Krishna was in a fix now. Krishna definitely is in a fix. अरे हमारा ही बाण को हमको ही छोड़ दिया. So the counseling way, Arjuna is tackling Krishna. We find escapism like this only. Show me how to catch the wind. Then I will control my mind then. Balavat Drudam Pramati. It is the most strongest. To catch the wind, if it is possible, then I can also control my mind. Teach me how to do. Now what answer Krishna should give? Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Now you see. Asamshayam Mahabaho Mano Durnigraham Chalam Oh, Arjuna, what you said is perfectly right. Oh, Arjuna became very happy. Oh, Krishna is coming on my way. So that means whatever I say, that is correct. Asamshayam Mahabaho. Hey Mahabahu, hey Arjuna, Asamshayam, no doubt, what you say is correct. Asamshayam Mahabaho, Mano Durnigraham Chalam. Yes, mind is very, very tough and difficult to control. Mano Durnigraham Chalam. But what he says, Abhyasena Kaunteya Vairagyena Chagrihyate. What a beautiful Patanjali Yoga Sutra which is coming here. Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. This is just an example how Patanjali got motivated by Krishna. That is how, because Krishna said this 5128 years ago. Patanjali said it 2500 years ago. So that means almost a 2000 years gap is there. So Patanjali Rishi's Yoga Sutra is motivated by Bhagavad Gita. Like this, there are many. Come on, it is now your duty to do Samanmaya, Bhagavad Gita and Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Do you find anything which is similar sutra, which is compared to Bhagavad Gita shloka? The first one is this only. Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodha. Here Krishna is telling Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grhyate. Abhyasa and vairagya. Practice makes man perfect. Even that English phrase has come from this only. Abhyasa. Practice makes man perfect. Even English people also took the motivation. They may not know Bhagavad Gita, but still, it is coming. 5128 years ago, even English was not born. Even English was not born only. This is what? If you take the history of any language, is it not? The evolution of the language would have happened very late. But still we get one question. What was the language spoken by Krishna and Arjuna on the battlefield? But definitely not shloka. Dimag se nikal do pehle. Krishna was not speaking shloka. Arjuna was not asking questions to Krishna by shloka. No way. ये सब दिमाग से निकाल दो पहले. वहां भीड़ में खड़ा होकर श्लोक कोई थोड़ी बोलेगा. अगर ऐसे सोचेंगे ना, पागल है हम. कहां से श्लोक से क्यों कैसे बोलेगा? It is not, because Veda Vyasa is giving us the gist of the conversation, what happened through Samskrita. It is the Veda Vyasa's composition. Not Krishna was speaking shloka and Arjuna was asking shloka. Everybody was listening खड़ा होके. ऐसे थोड़ी ना है. नहीं. मगर क्या भाषाएं बोलते थे, ये भी तो आज तक पता नहीं है. Nobody can. Maybe some language. Even you can't say Hindi. अरे हिंदी का जन्म कब हुआ? It is all a mystery in the history of human civilization. What language was spoken? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But Vedavyasa Rishi gave us all this in Devanagari. That is what is Samskrita Bhasha, Deva Bhasha. It doesn't mean that Arjuna was asking questions through shloka and Krishna was answering through shloka. No, definitely not. So here he says, Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grhyate. Abhyasa and vairagya. You can catch the wind also, only if you have that technique. Definitely. So Krishna gives the answer so beautifully. And this is how even Patanjali says mind can be controlled by Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam Tan Nirodha. Tat Nirodha. What is Tat? Tat means mind only. That Nirodha, you have to suppress. You have to have control over that. How do you gain control? Only by Abhyasa and Vairagya. The same thing is told by Krishna to Arjuna, and through Arjuna, all of us should have this control. Abhyasa, Vairagya. Abhyasa, Vairagya. These are the only two methodologies through which you can gain control over yourself. and you can gain victory over mind. Yes, gaining victory over mind is the purpose, is it not? So, therefore, he says, continues, asanyatatmana yogo dushprapayiti me matihi. Asanyatatmana, one who don't have that control over his self, dushprapayiti me matihi. In my opinion, it is highly tough. One who does not have control over himself or the mind, he cannot be a yogi, in my opinion. Vashyati atmanatu yatata. Shakto avaptum upayataha. That means only a person who has gained control over self can have control over mind. Otherwise, one cannot control. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ICUಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಸೀದಾ ಸೀದಾ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಓಕೆ ಬೈ ಸೊ one who does not have vashyati atmanatu yatata means with continuous efforts. Very important. Your continuous effort is important. Not that one day you tried your best and you kept quiet. No, you have to consistently, persistently, effectively, efficiently, you have to do that. All these words, consistency, effectively, efficiently, perfectly, you have to keep on repeating it. Yatata, vashyati atmanatu yatata. Yatata means one who does effort. Without doing effort, you cannot achieve anything. Shakyo avaptum ayogataha. One who does not do efforts, he will never get. Ayati shraddhayopeto yogachalitamanasah aprapya yoga samsiddhim kam gatim krishna gacchati. Now with this solution, Arjuna gets another question. Okay, if a person cannot have shraddha, one who ayati shraddhayopeto, one who has shraddha, definitely one has shraddha, but he cannot do efforts. Putting efforts, there is a problem. Yogat chalita manasaha, because of mind, wavering mind. He has shraddha, I have shraddha, but I am unable to control my mind. What will be their state, Krishna? Aprapya yoga samsiddhim, one who cannot attain that yoga siddhi, what will be their state? One who cannot. I have shraddha. Even in the classroom, many of you have shraddha, but you are unable to control your mind. What will be your, aapka gati kya hogi? Including everyone. Yes, we have shraddha. We have 100% shraddha, but still we are unable to control our mind. When we don't have that control over mind, but shraddha we have, we try our best, but unable to have control over it. Then what will be their state? Kam gatim Krishna. Kam gatim, क्या गति क्या होगी उनका? जिनका श्रद्धा है मगर मन काबू में नहीं आ रहा है. श्रद्धा तो है मगर मन काबू में नहीं है, नहीं कर पा रहे, तो क्या होगा उनका? गति क्या होगी? काम गतिम कृष्ण गच्छति. Then he asks further, कच्चिन्नो भय विभ्रष्टः छिन्नाभ्रमिव नश्यति अप्रतिष्ठो महाबाहो विमूढ़ो ब्रह्मणपति. कश्चिन्नो विभ्रय, कश्चिन्नो उभय विभ्रष्टः. That means people who have shraddha not having control over the mind. So, are they going to get scattered like clouds? Chinnabhramiva nashyati. Oh, like clouds. How the wind is going to make the clouds to get scattered. You see very thick घने बादल बरसने वाला है, एकदम हवा आ गया, सबको उड़ा दिया. हमारा मन भी तो काबू में चाहिए. श्रद्धा तो है मगर कभी कभी हवा ऐसा आता है कि मन को उड़ा देता है. इज इट दैट सो? छिन्नाभ्रमिव नश्यति. Like clouds, will our mind is also going to get scattered like this? Apratishto mahabaho vimudo brahmanapati. Apratishto, unable to establish ourselves in the highest consciousness, and we are going out of the path, vimudha, from the brahmanapati. That means from the path of Brahman. From the path of Brahman, if we go out of the track, vimudha, then what will be our state? Kam gatim Krishna gachati, because of uncontrolled mind. But we have Shraddha. Yes. We go to pravachan, we go to bhajan, we go to Maitri Milan every day. But still, we cannot have control. 10-15 मिनट बैठने के लिए भी मुश्किल हो रहा है. उधर मोबाइल घुमाते रहते हैं. क्या करें? Completely we will be engrossed. Our mind is not so perfectly established. These are my doubts, Krishna. Etanme samshayam, Krishna. These are my doubts. Why don't you please clear? Bhetum arhasi, chetum arhasi asheshataha. Only you have the ability to clear all my doubts. No other personality in this world. I know. That's why I am standing in front of you. So only you can. Chetum arhasi asheshataha. Tvad anya samshayasya cheta nahi upapadyate. आपको छोड़ के, apart from you, there is no other personality on this earth who can remove my doubts. I know very well. You are the only one. No second person is there on this earth to clear my doubts except you. चेतुम अर्हसी अशेषतः. निकाल देंगे थोड़ा बहुत कुछ, मगर बहुत ज्यादा छोड़ देंगे अंदर ही. संशय जो है, completely from the root, nobody can remove my doubts except you. Except you. Come on. Now what will be the answer? Krishna. Parthanaivehanamuttra vinashastasya vidyate nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim tata gacchati. Oh Arjuna, don't worry. Whatever they do effort, that effort will not go in vain. Nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim tata gacchati. They will never go and meet a bad end. No, they will be rewarded, awarded for their effort. आप थोड़ा सा भी प्रयास किया ना, if you put little bit of effort, see, this is a beautiful saying. In spirituality, आप एक कदम आगे बढ़ाइए, भगवान आपके पास 4 कदम आगे आएंगे. मगर आपका एक कदम जो है ना, वो बहुत मुख्य होता है. Your effort of 1 step is very important. God will come to you 4 steps further towards you. Exactly. Yes. Put 1 step, he will come 4 steps towards you. That is what Krishna is telling. Nahi kalyanakrit kaschit durgatim. Durgati kabhi nahi hogi uski. He will never meet disaster at all because of his truly sincere efforts. Only thing is, sincere effort is necessary. कपटी नहीं मत बनो. अंदर कुछ और बाहर कुछ और. बाहर दिखाने के लिए बहुत बड़ा सन्यासी, अंदर जाके देखो पता चलता है गंदगी का जिंदगी. दिस इज डेंजर. यथा चित्ते तथा वाची, यथा वाची तथा क्रिया. What you think you should speak, what you speak you must act. If you don't have synchronization of your thought, words and action, then you are not a person only. You are not a good man. So your sincere pramanikata is very, very important here. Krishna says never he is going to meet disaster. Prapya punya kritam lokan. He will gain some virtue, punya. See, in English, this is another one very horrible difficulty to say. Papa. To say papa, you have English word sin. Oh, you are a sinner, sinner, sinner. Everybody will say sin. What is there for papa? Punya. आपको पुण्य मिलेगा. Bas. What is the exact English word for punya? You cannot say virtue. Virtue is not at all effective at all. There is no word. You have to understand punya in punya only. आपको बहुत बड़ा पुण्य मिलेगा, हाँ बहुत अच्छा समझ जाएंगे हम. You will get good virtues. ये क्या होता है? Virtue क्या होता है? That is not a word. So in English, we don't have a perfect, befitting, effective word for punya. So it is better to understand the language in the way how it is spoken. Punya only. Papa is there. Everybody does a lot of sin. Even in medication, pharmacy, all are sin. Azithromycin, gentamicin. You know, all are sins only, antibiotics. You are eating your own sin. You are eating antibiotic means you are eating your own sin. That my sin, this is my sin, my sin, my sin, my sin. So your sin only you are eating in pharmaceutical. You will understand better how many antibiotics are sins only. But what to do? For punya, there is no word in English. That is what he is telling. They will gain that prapya punya krutam lokan. Athava. Otherwise, the effort for what you do, you will take birth in a very highly reputed family. Athava yoginameva kule bhavati dhimatam. You might take birth in a very intelligent family or a yogi family. But ye taddi durlabhataram loke janma yadi drisham. But it is highly difficult. It's not easy to get that good janma. You should have put lot of effort here. Tartratam buddhi sanyogam labate paurvadehikam. Whatever you are today is because of your previous life activities only. Labate paurvadehikam yatate cha tato bhuyaha samsiddhau kurunandana. Based on your, in this life act, your future will be decided. Based on your previous life act, you are now today. So better be cautious and conscious. Purvabhyasena teneva hriyate hi avashopi saha jignasurapi yogasya shabda brahmati vartate. Only purvabhyasa. Purvabhyasa means your previous habits. Habit is a beautiful English word. You remove H, a bit will be there. You remove A, bit will be there. You remove B, it will be there. That is why it is called as habit. Habit, you cannot remove it. That is why removing one letter, finally it will be there. It will not go. Purvabhyasa. That is what is your practice. Cultivate good practices, that which elevates you. Prayatnad yatamanastu yogi samsuddha kilbashaha. Just 2 sloka, I will finish. Aneka janma samsiddhaha tato yati param gatim. With all these efforts repeatedly in many lives, that is going to aneka janma samsiddhaha. A yogi is going to go into perfection, not one life. So we are all doing this from many lives. In one final life, we may go to the perfection. Tapasvibhyo adhiko yogi, gnanibhyopi matodikaha, karmibhyascha adhiko yogi, tasmad yogi bhavarjuna. Instead of gnani, a tapasvi is very higher. A gnani is higher than karmi. Action is the lowest. Karma yoga. Then higher than that karma is gnana. Higher than that gnana is tapasya. Oh, this is what. So therefore, tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. You should become a real yogi. That is what is dhyana yoga. That is what is tapaha. Tapasya means what? Dhyana only. So karma, gnana, and then dhyana. After dhyana, it is ultimate. That is beyond explanation. Therefore, yoginam api sarvesham madgate nantaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yomam Same yukta tamo mataha. With all the shraddha, even a yogi will do the devotion, even after dhyana also. Beyond this dhyana, that person is going to completely dedicate, surrender, and completely be in the control of the Supreme. That means willfully you are going to completely under the surrenderance of God. Even after gnana, karma, gnana, dhyana, even bhakti, then after that also you are going to surrender to the Lord. Yo mam same yuktatamo mataha. Shraddhavan bhajate yo mam. Shraddhavan. That Shraddha will not change. See, your Shraddha should not change. When you have atut Shraddha, चट्टान के तरह मजबूत है, लाइक फेविकॉल. फेविकॉल एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखा आपने, कैसा आता है, दोनों हाथियां पुल करते हैं, चट्टान के तरह मजबूत. अटूट श्रद्धा, टूटने वाली श्रद्धा नहीं होनी चाहिए. आज मैं बोला कुछ, हाँ 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 यस सर बोल दिया, कल दूसरा आके बोलता है हाँ 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 उनको भी बोलेगा. दैट इज टूटने वाली श्रद्धा. सो नेवर हैव दैट unflinching faith is very important. That is what is the Shraddha. So therefore, Shraddhavan bhajate omam same yuktatamo mataha. Om tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Dhyana Yogo Nama iti Shashtodhyayah. Atma Sanyama and Dhyana both are same. Shashtodhyayah samaptam. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hope everybody has given your paper. If you don't give, then your second internals marks will not be uploaded. Thank you. सातवां और आगे बढ़ेंगे और दौड़ दौड़ के थोड़ा स्पीड पिकअप कर दूंगा. ये तो बोलता रहता हूं हर क्लास में, मगर हो नहीं पाता है मुझसे, यही गड़बड़ है मेरा. ओके, थैंक यू. हरि ओम तत्सत. ओम शांति शांति. ओके. Yes. Maybe this Friday, only 3 students. You, Gautam or Deena, and the one who got 30. इसको मिला, पता नहीं है. इसको मिला. You have to be ready on Friday. Only 4 people. Tell them